हुआ आजा आजा ना 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 जस्ट बोन हाथी घेतालो चल वो अंदर अंदर जा अंदर जा Lama boy. हाँ, रेडी हुआ तू? ओके ओके।
खुशी होता है, ये चालू हुआ तो खुशी होता है, बाकी 2 साल जो हमारा नुकसान हुआ, बच्चों का भी नुकसान हुआ।
2 साल कैसे बच्चों को?
2 साल बच्चों का बहुत बुरा हाल हुआ, बच्चों का खेलने का, कूदने का, पढ़ाई का भी सब नुकसान हुआ। बच्चों का जो पढ़ाई का था वो भी उन्हें तो ऑनलाइन में और स्कूल चालू होने में दोनों में जो है फर्क डिफरेंस है।
स्कूल बंद आशिल्ले भुरगीं सा घरांकडे काय शिकना आशिल्ले काय ना 2 स्कूल स्टार्ट जावन आमकां म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें आमकां आनी भुरगीं मातशी इम्प्रूव जातलीं घराकडे काय शिकना आशिल्ले आनी आतां आमकां खूब बरें दिसता स्कूल ओपन जावन आमी सो हॅपी आनी म्हाका खूब गुड बरें जालें थँक्यू।
स्कूल स्टार्ट हुआ, बच्चे ऐसे भी घर में स्टडी वगैरह करते नहीं, ऑनलाइन गेम्स गेम आई एम हैप्पी कि स्कूल स्टार्ट हो गया।
और जिस तरह से स्वागत हो रहा है बच्चों का उसके लिए
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, बहुत अच्छे से डेकोरेशन किया है, मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ। थैंक यू।
स्कूल चल रहा बहुत अच्छा है ना, हम लोग और कुछ तकलीफ नहीं है। तो बच्चे लोग पढ़ाई नहीं तो ऑनलाइन पढ़ के सब बच्चा लोग बेकार हो गया।
अभी अच्छा हो
तो हम लोग अच्छा है ना, हमारा मन को भी शांति मिलेगा कि बच्चा लोग कुछ तो सीखेगा बोल के। तो हम लोग क्या था पहला डेली वो लोग को गुस्सा करो, डेली जाके डांट दो वो लोग को, कोई
देखो इतना एक्साइटमेंट है, इतना हमको खुशी है 2 साल के बाद जो स्कूल ओपन हो रहा है, हम बता नहीं सकते कि कितना हमको खुशी है। और 2 साल में जो बच्चे लोग घर में बैठे पढ़ाई नहीं हुई, उनका इतना नुकसान हुआ, या फिर समझो कि उनका जो भी हुआ उसका भरपाई हो नहीं सकता। अभी जो बच्चे फर्स्ट में सेकंड में थे उनकी एज थी पढ़ने की, लिखने वगैरह की थी, लेकिन वो लोग नहीं लिख पाएंगे। घर में जो ऑनलाइन जो क्लास होता है, जो स्कूल में जो बच्चा पढ़ता है वो ऑनलाइन में पढ़ ही नहीं सकता उस तरह से। एक बच्चे लोग का माहौल रहता है, टीचर सामने रहता है, तो एक अलग पढ़ाई होता है, उसमें बच्चे लोग दिल लगा के पढ़ता है। तो घर में जो बच्चे लोग पढ़े उनका जो फर्स्ट में सेकंड में जो बच्चा लोग था उनका तो एज निकल गया, जो पढ़ना था वो लोग नहीं पढ़ पाए, जैसा पढ़ना था वैसा नहीं पढ़ा। तो जो भी है अभी हम इतना खुश है, बच्चे लोग इतना खुश है, उसके पेरेंट्स माँ बाप इतना खुश है, वो खुशी का हम बोल नहीं सकते। हम सब जो है टीचर्स का और जो है प्रिंसिपल का और हमारे गवर्नमेंट का, हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर का हम सब जो है धन्यवाद करते हैं, शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। थैंक
वर्सां स्कूल बंद करून भुरग्यांचें भरपूर नुकसान जालें. आज व्हेरी हॅपी आमी तुमकां सांगपाक गव्हर्मेंटान चान्स दिलो की स्कूल स्टार्ट करपाक, आनी आमचो मॅनेजमेंट, आमचे प्रिंसिपल, आमचो स्टाफ सगळो मेळून भुरग्यांक जितले गायडलायन्स दिला गव्हर्मेंटान, SOP दिला ती फॉलो करून आमी स्कुलां स्टार्ट करपाक एग्रीड आहा. ते 2 वर्सांनी खूब नुकसान जालें भुरग्यांचें. एक 70% भुरगीं ऑनलायन शिकोवंकूच पावलीं ना. आनी आज स्कूल स्टार्ट जावन खूब उमेद भोगता की भुरगीं बरे तरेन बरे भाशेन शिकतलीं म्हणून.
एज अ पेरंट तुमकां आयज
एज अ पेरंट्स म्हणून म्हाका खूब उमेद भोगता. आज म्हाज्या भुरग्यांक 2 वर्सांनी हांव स्कुलान हाडून पावयता आनी स्कूल स्टार्ट जालें.
Yeah, madam, the school have started. School have started today. What makes you? What do you feel like coming back to school? Introduce yourself.
My name is Exin Lazarus and I'm the head girl of Santa Cruz High School. So today after a long time the school has started again and the situation has become better and all our teachers are trying their level best to follow all the SOPs properly. So it's really we really feel excited because we all are back to school again and hope the situation remains better as it is and we all continue to come to school like this.
So how you feel being back with your friends together? And it was a very tough time having online classes or offline. You enjoyed?
Online it was slightly difficult because sometimes because of the network issues, students used to get. But offline today it's really been nice because we have met all our friends back. And yeah, it's better if it's offline like this.
Introduce yourself, sir, and just tell us about the school starting.
I'm Russell Coutinho, headmaster of Santa Cruz High School. Today, we are very happy to receive our students. It's almost after a gap of 2 years that our students are coming to school. And we have all the students, right from the nursery to the 10th standard coming to school today. Yes, we have taken utmost care to follow the SOPs issued by the Directorate of Education. As far as students coming in uniform, well, we are very flexible at that. We are not insisting on the uniform because after a gap of 2 years, definitely students will not have the uniform, maybe not fitting them, and therefore, moreover, we are coming to the end of the academic year. For us, what is important today is to receive our students and have physical classes. We are very flexible. We'll make sure that our students are not stressed, but they will enjoy in school. And first and foremost, we are thankful to Almighty God for bringing our students back to school. The teachers are also very happy that we are going to have physical classes. There are many students who could not, for various reasons, attend online classes every day. But with the physical classes, we have seen students who were not attending online classes coming to school today and being present here for the physical classes. So that's an achievement.
So what will be the attendance for this?
Today, as we see students coming in, we may not have very good attendance during the first day because there are a few students who are in their native place and a few parents also are a little hesitant in sending their children. In fact, when I had the executive committee meeting of the PTA, some parents said that now that we are coming to end of the academic year, they would prefer sending their children only for the exams. So we are also making some arrangement to coach those students who are unable to come to school, who are at their native place with some online classes. Some arrangement is being made.
So the classes will be 50% or how this?
For this week, the classes will be 50%. Okay, and coming week we will see what press guidelines come from the Directorate of Education.
Thank you. Introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Payala Bhaskar. I'm studying in 10th.
So, how you feel being back in school today?
I feel so happy because I was waiting for the news of the education department that school will start. I was waiting, so I was so happy when it came, the news and all.
So it was a little bit headache for you to get up early morning to come back.
Yeah, because in pandemic times our school was used to like 8 o'clock they used to start, and now we have to wake up at 5:30 or 6 to prepare for school and all.
So how you feel being back with your friends and this?
I feel very happy because after a long time I didn't meet with our friends because of pandemic, and now I'm meeting, so I was so happy to see them and talk with them.
How the arrangement made in your school today for you?
Keeping our social distancing and wearing masks and sanitizing ourselves and more.
Thank you. What are the timings for the KGs, nurseries, and how they will be coming up with this?
Well, we do not want a rush of students at the gates, so we have different timings. For the pre-primary school, the students have been called at 9 a.m. and they will be sent home at 11 a.m. For the primary school, the students have been called at 8:15 a.m. and they will be sent home at 12:45 p.m. The high school students have been called at 8 a.m. and they will be sent home at 1:10 p.m. This arrangement has been done only for this week. Okay, and we hope that some instructions will be coming from the Directorate of Education, and subject to that we continue with the same or will follow the modified instructions if any.
And the recess period, we said how it will be?
The recess is for 15 minutes, but at least for these few days we are not going to send the students out for recess. They will be allowed to have their tiffins in the class. A teacher will be there along with them in their respective classrooms. This is in order to maintain social distancing. Okay.
जे आयच्यान जी स्कुलां स्टार्ट जाल्या जो सरकाराचो निर्णय आशिल्लो आमी स्वागत करता. भुरगीं तरी उमेदीन आसा, पूण आमचे पालकांनी बी आमकां बरो प्रतिसाद दिलो. जेन्ना आमकां सर्कुलर आयले तेन्ना आमी पीटीएची मिटींग घेतली आणि पीटीएच्या मिटींगेन आमी सगळे हे प्रोटोकॉल जे आसा ते सगळे आमी गायडलायन्स आमी घेतले. आणि आयज आमी सगळ्या भुरग्यांक आपयना. आयज आमी भुरग्यांक 5वेच्या आणि 6वेच्या भुरग्यांक आपयला. आज जी 5वेची भुरगीं आसा 2 वर्सां स्कुलान ना, 6थाची भुरगीं आसा तांकां चडशी टिचरांची वळख ना, म्हणून आमी आयज म्हणजे जे आज वीक आसा तो आमी 5वेच्या आणि 6वेच्या भुरग्यांकूच आपयतले, जेणे करून ते सेट जातले स्कुलान. आणि मागीर दुसरे मंडेच्यान आमी सारके ऑल्टरनेट क्लासीस सगळे 5th to 10th पण आपण आमी रेग्युलर क्लासीस घेतली.
स्वागत कार्य आहे तुम्ही एक पळोवन हाडल्याचें फाटल्यान कितें अशें आहलें?
ना, भुरग्यांक एक तरेचे आता 2 वर्सांनी भुरगीं स्कुलान ना, तांकां भुरग्यांक एक स्कुलाचे अशें एट्रॅक्ट म्हणजे येवपाचें स्कुलाचें एट्रॅक्शन आसपाक जाय. टिचऱ्यो कशें पूण ते स्कुलाचे येवचेच, पूण तांकां स्कूल म्हणजे कितें कळचें, तांचें वेलकम. आनी आयज आमी बरो प्रोग्राम भुरग्यां खातीर स्पेशल दवरला. आमची पीटीए कमिटी आसा, आयज आमी क्लासीन बरे डेकोरेट केल्या क्लासीस आनी तांचे खातीर स्पेशल प्रोग्राम दवरल्या, स्पेशल असेंब्ली दवरल्या, जेणे करून भुरग्यांक दिसचें की आयज आमी स्कुलान येता, कितें तरी आमच्या टिचरीन आमचे खातीर केलां अशें.